Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So it's a time of month where I get to share the detox box. So I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the May detox box, and also at the end of this video I will be reviewing the April detox box. So if you want to see what's in this one's box, be sure to stay tuned. So I am an affiliate with the Detox Market and I am sent the detox box each month. But honestly, I have been so impressed with this box. It has been one of my favorites, and I really think that you get a really good value for your money. It is a little bit more expensive, but you do get full-size products, and I really like how you get like several different products from a brand. Well, last month was different, but it was special. It was Earth Month, but typically you get a couple products from a single brand, and especially someone that tries out a lot of products, I find that to be really helpful because when I'm testing out brands, I like to try out several products from that brand because it's really hard to get a good sense of the brand if you're only trying out like one product, because it could be the best product that the brand has to offer, or it could be the worst product that the brand has to offer. When you're only trying one product, it's kind of just like, it could be all over the place. So I really like being able to try out a bunch of products and really get a good sense for the brand. And the brand this month is One Love Organics, which is actually a bit funny because I just purchased one of the products in this box maybe like just a couple weeks ago, and so you can tell I was very interested in trying out a product from the One Love Organics brand, and so I'm really happy to actually be able to try out 3 products from the One Love Organics brand. I'm going to start off with the products in alphabetical order because One Love Organics labels their products like A, B, C, D, etc. So we're going to start off with the Botanical A facial cleanser. So this is a face cleanser. It does have AHA and BHA in it, which are chemical exfoliants. The brand One Love Organics, it's one of the first brands I heard about in the clean beauty space. I heard so many people speaking so highly of their products, and for some reason I just never got around to trying them out. I think it's because they are a little bit higher in price point, which is why receiving them in a subscription box is amazing. But yeah, now that I am where I am in my channel, and thanks to you guys using my links and watching my videos and watching through ads, I can afford to purchase a little bit more luxury skincare, and so I did go ahead and purchase not this, but the next product. But I have been testing out this facial cleanser. I haven't been able to test it out a ton because I just got the box and I'm here talking about it with you guys. And I really do like this facial cleanser. Even though it does have chemical exfoliants in it, I didn't find it to be too stripping or too drying. It did a really great job of cleaning my face. It actually reminds me of the Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. I've been trying that one out as well. And that one also has acids in it as well, so they're kind of similar in that way. But I am really liking this. I will continue trying this out and using it, but so far I have to say it is a lovely cleanser, and also the scent of this is really nice as well. It's like kind of like a tropical fruit scent, and I really like that. The next product we got was this one here, and this is the Botanical B Enzyme Cleansing Oil, and this is the product that I purchased for myself, so I now have 2 of them. And luckily I really like this, so I don't mind having 2 of them. I purchased this originally because I was running out of my Leilani Pamplemousse oil cleanser, which is one of my all-time favorite oil cleansers because it not only does a great job of breaking down my makeup, but it also rinses clean, which I really am into oil cleansers that I can just rinse off and don't have to use a damp cloth with them. And so I'd heard that this one was really good, which is why I went ahead and purchased it, and it is. It does a great job of breaking down my makeup, and I also had no problem rinsing it off. I, of course, rubbed this on my face, broke down my makeup, added a little bit of water in, kind of got the oil emulsified, then went in and fully washed my face off with water. Then I went in with a Botanical A cleanser, and my face was totally clean. So this worked really well. It also smells like a freaking tropical drink, which, I mean, who doesn't want to pretend that they're on a island drinking a tropical drink right now? Because I certainly am trying to live that fantasy, but I absolutely love this. And finding good oil cleansers for me is just really important because I want to make sure that my face is getting fully clean. I'm getting all my makeup off, And I want it to be a process that's easy because I'm taking off my makeup at the end of the night, and that's why I don't want a oil cleanser that I have to use a damp cloth to remove. I just want something where I can easily take it off and I don't have to worry about it, and you know, it's good to go. And that definitely is this product. So if you have been curious about either of these, I have to say they're really, really good. I love the packaging of this brand too. They just have these nice amber bottles. They also have nice pumps on them, and their whole line just looks like very apothecary. Like it just looks very aesthetic and very nice together. So I really like that about the packaging. And of course, their glass. Okay, and then the final product we got in this box, this is the Botanical C facial serum, which of course contains vitamin C. And this is an oil serum. So I've tried some vitamin C serums that are kind of more of an aloe water-based serum. This one is definitely an oil serum. It is a little bit thicker and like viscous in consistency, but it did absorb into my skin really nicely. It didn't feel heavy and it didn't feel like it was sitting on my skin, which is something that I look for in facial serums because I do have oily skin, and I personally just don't like the feeling of having like a heavy facial oil sitting on my skin, and that was certainly not the case with this one. So I will keep testing this out. I've only tried it out a little bit, and with a vitamin C serum, it's the kind of product where you have to use it over a period of time to be able to tell the effects of the product. To be honest though, I've tried quite a few vitamin C serums and I just haven't seen a lot of effect from them. There's a whole discussion about vitamin C and it decomposing. I will continue using this and let you know when I unbox wow, that's crazy to say, the June box, what I think of this product long term with my skin, but it is really nice and I've enjoyed using it so far. The box this month has a really great value. The Vitamin A facial cleanser is valued at $39. And then the Botanical B enzyme cleansing oil is valued at $42. And the Vitamin C facial serum is valued at, believe it or not, $75, which means that the entire value of this box is $156. So this is a really great value. You're getting all full-size products from a really lovely brand. I honestly am really, really thrilled with this box. I hope you are too if you are subscribed, because I think this is a really great box. And it's also just like products that really are like staple products in your skincare routine. They're products that really will work regardless of your skin type and are just workhorses in your routine. Like a good facial serum, a good facial cleanser, and a good cleansing oil. You can't go wrong with those. Okay. So I'm gonna move ahead and talk about last month's box. So last month's box was a bit different than the traditional Detox box, and that is because it was Earth Month. So the Detox box featured a bunch of more sustainable products, and I wasn't able to use all of them. I talked about this in the last one's box, but the toothbrush I didn't use because I used an electric toothbrush. Also the David's toothpaste I didn't use because I only used toothpaste with fluoride in them. And the reusable tote, I haven't actually gotten to test out yet because I've not been out. Like, I'm still stuck at home. And when we do, well, when my husband, I haven't been going, but when my husband has been going to the grocery store, they no longer allow us to use reusable bags. You have to use disposable plastic bags. So we aren't able to use any reusable totes for that either. So hopefully soon I will be able to test out that bag, but unfortunately I've not been able to yet. Okay. The first product I'm going to talk about, and I posted this on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me, be sure to check me out at naturallybeautifulgirl. But I talked about my Beaker water bottle, and I honestly have been really enjoying this. It's not as big as the water bottle I typically use, but obviously I'm home right now, I'm able to refill it really easily. And it actually came at a really nice time because the water bottle that I had been using, which was a stainless steel water bottle, and then that was kind of it in terms of water bottles in our house. And my husband and I, because we're staying at home, our routines have gotten totally messed up and we realized we weren't drinking enough water. So I have been filling this one up and using this as my water bottle, and then my husband has been using my old water bottle. I mean, I don't think he's quite as much of a fan of a pink spiky water bottle as I am, so I gave him my like teal colored water bottle. But I really have been enjoying this. I mentioned this in the April video, but it is dishwasher safe, and I have run it through my dishwasher. I do wash the cap by hand, but I've been washing the water bottle with the sleeve on in the dishwasher. It's been coming out clean. It's really easy. In fact, that's better than my stainless steel water bottle, which I can't wash in the dishwasher. So I've really been liking that, and it's just really fun And I like that it also has a sleeve on it that keeps it safe because it is a glass water bottle. So overall, I am very impressed. I have been happily using it. It's been sitting next to me while I've been working and I really have been enjoying it. Which also, I should take a sip because I have been talking for a while. Don't worry, it's just water. Maybe quarantine, but it's just water. Okay, so the next product is one that I had really hoped would work for me, but I wasn't surprised when it didn't. And this is the Meow Meow Tweet Rose Geranium Baking Soda Free Deodorant Stick. Love the idea of this. I love that it comes in this cardboard packaging, which is a lot more easy to recycle, especially compared to traditional deodorants that come in like a plastic container. However, I had tried a Meow Meow Tweet deodorant in the past, hadn't worked the best for me, and unfortunately this one also is not working that well. The weather is slowly getting warmer, we're creeping up in temperature, and we have actually had some nice days. I have been working out at home, so between the warmer weather and exercising at home, I really have been able to put this to the test, and it just doesn't hold up on me. I smell, I sweat a lot, it's just not cutting it, and I really feel, especially as we're moving into the warmer months, this is not going to cut it. So unfortunately for me, it's not the best deodorant. I think if you are someone like me who sweats a lot and also has very smelly sweat, this may not work the best, although everyone's body chemistry is so different, and deodorants are really a product that depend on your body chemistry. So what may not work for me may work well for you. It really just depends on your body chemistry, but for me, this definitely didn't cut it. And even though I'm just staying at home with just my husband, I think he would appreciate if I used deodorant that was a bit more effective. And then the final product from last month's box that I wanted to talk about is this guy right here, which is the Audacity shampoo bar. It says the 552ml or the 522ml. I always forget what the number is, but it's their new shampoo bar. And it used to have Audacity like stamped on it, but honestly I've been using this and loving this, and you can no longer see it where the Audacity was. I already spoiled it. I have been absolutely loving this shampoo bar. I talked about it in my April favorites, and I would be really hard pressed after trying this product to go back to buying just like regular liquid shampoo in a bottle. Like this for me has been game changing. I have really oily hair that's quite thick, and I use quite a bit of dry shampoo to extend my time between washes. So when I shampoo my hair, I need something that's pretty heavy duty. Like I need it to get the oil out of my hair. I need it to get the dry shampoo out of my hair. Like I need to get my hair clean, and this does that. And in fact, this shampoo bar lathers better than a lot of other shampoos I've tried in the clean beauty space. Like it just works. I love that there's no packaging with it. You just have the bar. Well, I mean, there's the packaging it comes in, but like there's not a plastic bottle you have to get rid of, and it smells so nice. The scent of this I would describe as being orange creamsicle. So if that sounds like a scent you would love, this is really great. It just works super well in my hair. I'm totally impressed. I am 1000% sold on this product. So if you have not tried this and are looking for a good shampoo product, and you are also interested in being more environmentally friendly, you should check this out. I mean, even if you aren't interested in being environmentally friendly and just want a good shampoo, you should check this out. Like it is just good. I'm waiting for them to come out with a conditioner bar. Yeah, I found my new favorite shampoo, which is awesome. I hope you enjoyed hearing about the May detox box and also my thoughts on the April detox box. Let us know in the comment section down below if you're excited to receive One Love Organics products. I certainly was. I'd been wanting to try them out, and I am very happy with them, with my experience of using them. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you're notified of when I post new videos. And check me out on Instagram. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl to see more of me there. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!